So today we're going to be showing all the different type of horse breeds in our stable. So let's get started. The first horse we have the Accolade. They come in a variety of colors, as in a Perlino, a dapple gray, a smoky gray, a black, and a Palomino. These horses you can find at Silverglade Village in their stable. The next breed we have is the Lusitano. They're known for their special gait. In the Star stable, they're able to do a piaffe, which is just a simple tap. The horses can come in a variety of colors, such as white, brown, buckskin, black, and Palomino. These horses you can find at Steve's Farm and Silverglade. The next horses we'll be looking at are the Friesians. They're a beautiful breed, black, and more of a shimmery black. These horses you can find at Steve's Farm. Next up are the Mustangs. They can come in a variety of colors such as black, a blue roan, a pinto, a bay, strawberry roan, leopard Appaloosa, gray, and these horses can be featured at Marley's. Next horses are Lusitanos, the second breed of Lusitano. The second batch of them. These horses are the second batch of the Lusitanos, so they're updated more so they can have special tips made. These are the updated Lusitanos, and they can now do the Spanish one. They come in a variety of colors such as Perlino, gray, chestnut, black, dapple gray, and blue roan. These horses can be featured at Silverglade. The next horses we're looking at are the Curlies. These curly horses are known for their special shuffle. It's a special gait. These horses come in a variety of pinto, darker pinto, chestnut, gray, also chestnut, and Palomino. These horses you can find at Bird Grove. The last horse that we're looking at is going to be the American Quarter Horse. You can find them in all the different colors as such as blue roan, black, dapple gray, darker black, Palomino, and also dapple gray. And those are all the horses that we're going to be looking at today. Bye-bye.